Hello all, welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate Community. In this hacking episode, we are going to learn about invisible proxying for non-proxy aware client. So what do you mean by this? It means we are going to perform a thick client testing using a Bob suite. So here, always, one question, always come in our mind, like suppose if I want to use Nmap scanner and the particular output, whatever we are able to get it, like when we, type the Nmap command, in our terminal, how we can redirect that traffic to the burp and how we are going to perform it. And so in this particular section I'm going to teach you about like nicto part. So we are going to run the nicto command on our terminal, and then we are going to redirect that traffic to the burp. And this is one of the best technique, like in order to test a thick client using a burp. So I have written one definition what we are going to do in this particular video. So you can clearly see like the definition, the burp support for invisible proxying allows non-proxy aware client to connect directly to the proxy listener. This option is sometimes useful if the application you are targeting employ a thick client component that run outside of the browser, or a browser plugin that makes its own HTTP request outside of the browser framework. So I think if you check this particular section, what we need is, first we need a like burp suite is properly configured. Second part, like we need a Kali machine, where we're going to perform testing on this. You can perform testing anywhere, like because we want nicto to run, so we need like a Linux system. So you can use Ubuntu, you can use Kali, whatever the operating system you want to use it, you can free to choose. So now I'm going to show you like how we can intercept the traffic. Like if you are running a nicto, how we can intercept that traffic or redirect that traffic to the burp. I am Harshad, founder and CEO of Hacker Associates. Let's see like this particular section. So now what I'm going to do is, you can clearly see I'm going to open etc host file, and I'm going to open using a VI editor. So open it, and I'm going to make an entry. So just press I 127.0.0.1, and here I want to resolve google.co.in, save the file, and this part is done. So I have to make an entry. So now you can, if you can check etc host file, so this entry we have added, right? Now what you can do, you can go to the burp, and here you can go to the option, go to the here option like add bind to the port. So right now in my case is already there, cancel. So simple, I'll select this one, click here edit. You can see the port is here, 8080, bind to the port, request handling. So I want to redirect to this google.co.in and redirect to the port. So port is 80. So now we want force use of TLS and support invisible proxying enable if needed. So now you can clearly see the setting is done. Now you can go to the proxy, go to the intercept tab, intercept is on. I'm going to the terminal, and let's start with nicto command. So now I'm going to run nicto command here. Let's say nicto plus host, and you can clearly see this is the local host because we are going to resolve, right, this one to google.co.in, and the port number 8080. When you press enter, and now you can clearly see the burp part, and you can clearly see each and every information will be recorded here. You can check this thing. Right now nothing is there, but when I click on forward, now you can clearly see something is coming. Forward, 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 and you can now clearly see. That's how you can intercept the traffic, like whatever we are using here. It means if we are running any command on our terminal, same thing you are going to see in your burp part, which you can clearly see. And when you go to the HTTP history, these are the history part, and here you can see everything google.co.in, and each and every information we're able to get it here. This is a parameter, this is a URL, this is the method, extension, everything. This is all for this video. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.